How to swing trade for beginners on eToro. First of all, what is swing trading? Swing trading is actually one of the best trading styles for the beginning trader. Swing traders use fundamental and technical analysis to buy stocks when the prices drop significantly, then hold for a couple of days to several weeks, then sell for a profit when the price rises. So what is fundamental and technical analysis? Sound difficult, right? Well, it's not. It's easier than you think. Fundamental trading is a method where a trader focuses on company events, like news of a new product release to choose which stock to buy, or even temporary bad news to get a stock at a low price. Technical analyst trader uses price charts and simple tools like the RSI model to determine which stock to buy and when. In this tutorial, we will use the RSI model only. Simply put, we buy when the stock drops below the RSI line of 30 and sell when the stock goes above the RSI 70 line or when it rises to our determined profit percentage. Okay, enough of the boring stuff. Let's start with my swing trading strategy process. First, how to find stocks to buy. Go to finviz.com and click on Screener. We only buy mega and large capital stocks that are below the RSI of 30. So select Mega first on the Descriptive tab. We want to invest in the largest well-known companies only. We then go to the Technical tab and select Oversold 30 from the RSI 14 dropdown. Today, there are no mega cap stocks, but don't worry, it's rare to find mega stocks below RSI 30, more on that later. Now go back to the Descriptive tab and select Large from the Market Cap dropdown. We have 13 stocks that are below the Oversold 30 RSI, which is an indicator they are trading below their true value. Next, select Relative Strength Index 14 from the Order dropdown. This will sort the stocks from the lowest RSI number to the largest. The lower the RSI, the better. Then we start with the stock with the lowest RSI number. We also favor stocks that are well-known. In this case, we will start with the well-known brand Philips, with the ticker name PHG to research. Now we can go to stockcharts.com and enter the stock ticker PHG to see the RSI chart. As we can see, the stock is at 15.74, which is massively oversold, meaning less demand, which means lower prices. As you can see, the top section is the RSI chart. The second part is the stock price and volume. Remember, below RSI 30 we buy, and above RSI 70 we sell. The stock price moves with the RSI level. Next, we type into Google PHG stock price to check there was at least 10% of a price drop in the last 1 month. Drag the cursor from the high to low price. Last month, this stock has dropped 18.73%. Now search Google for PHG stock price prediction to check the analyst's stock price prediction and rating. Money.cnn.com is usually the first listed and our preferred website. Let's go to the website. Now we look for the current stock price to below or around the analyst's low stock price prediction for the next 12 months. In this case, we are below, which is perfect. We also want the majority of analysts' ratings to be a buy position. In this case, 8 buys ratings are great with no sell ratings, but we also have 10 hold positions. The consensus is to hold the stock. Analysts research financials, conference calls, and talk to managers and customers to investigate their performance. The analyst decides whether the stock is a buy, sell, or hold and future price. As P&G has a hold rating, we will not invest, but add to our watch list for possible future investment. Now we start the process over again. If PHG stock had a buy rating, we would only have one more step before we buy. It is to research why the stock price is down by searching Google for news. If the news is temporary, we will invest. For this tutorial, let's say PHG had a buy consensus rating, and let us continue with the last step to check if the bad news that made the stock price drop is temporary. If it is, we will buy PHG. Search Google for PHG stock price and hit the News tab. We can see the reason for the drop in stock price is a temporary recall of some of its products. In this case, we would invest. It's that easy. In future tutorials, we will go over other examples of our swing trading process. But now, let's go over our swing trading strategy for beginners. Let's get started. We want to invest in at least 5 to 10 different stocks at once, from a mix of different industries such as technology, health, finance, etc. But with our process, this usually happens automatically. As you can see, I have a mix of the different sectors stocks in my current portfolio. My preferred number of stocks to hold is 8, and when I sell one for profit, I just search for another to add. When starting out, if there are not 8 suitable stocks below the RSI 30, you can build your stocks up over time. Like for week 1, buy 4 suitable stocks, then over the next few weeks, you can buy the rest. The same applies when you sell some of your stocks. Wait till new suitable stocks below RSI 30 become available. There will normally be new suitable stocks to buy straight away, but sometimes not. Investment amount. You can invest as much or as little as you wish, as long as you divide the investment amount equally over the number of stocks you plan to buy. For beginners, best to start with a small amount and build on your investment over time. Also, only invest with discretionary money. When to sell the stocks and take profit. We aim for about 10% profit on each stock, but we'll start thinking about selling or setting a stop loss at 6% profit. Here you can see some of my previous trades. Some trades I closed above 20% as they kept going up in price, but some I closed below 10% as they were taking too long to realize the profit of 10%. But overall my trades are up 11%. More on this, and why and when I close the trades in a future tutorial. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 1. I hope you enjoyed the first tutorial video in the series, How to Swing Trade for Beginners on eToro. Remember to follow me on eToro. My username is Copy Trading Forum. I'll leave a link in the description. Also, if you're going to sign up for eToro, please use my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos on how to swing trade for beginners on eToro.